Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Techful Gadgets. In today's video, we're diving into three amazing washing machines: the LG WM4000H, Electrolux ELFW7637A, and GE GFW655. We'll explore their top features, smart technologies, and why they might be the perfect addition to your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. Let's get started. GE GFW655 front-load washer, designed to make your life at home easier and more efficient. This washer features the UltraFresh Vent System with odor block, which eliminates excess moisture to keep your washer fresh and clean. Say goodbye to unwanted odors. The built-in microban registered trademark antimicrobial technology adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring the gasket, dispenser, and draining system stay hygienic load after load. The Smart Dispense trademark technology is a real time saver, holding up to 32 loads of detergent and automatically dispensing the right amount each time. Perfect for busy households. For those with allergies or concerns about bacteria, the sanitize and allergen settings are a lifesaver. They kill 99% of common bacteria and allergens, like dust mites, making sure your laundry is not only clean, but also safe. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can start, stop, and monitor your laundry from anywhere, receiving real-time notifications and updates. The dynamic balancing technology, DB trademark, ensures a quiet wash by sensing and counterbalancing loads during the spin cycle. Installation is a breeze with the reversible door, giving you flexibility in any laundry setup. The Power Steam feature penetrates deep into fabric fibers, loosening stains for enhanced cleaning performance. Plus, the quick wash cycle provides a fast 20-minute wash for lightly soiled items, perfect for those in a hurry. We're taking a closer look at the Electrolux ELFW7637A front-load washer, which has been awarded the Best Overall Washer and Dryer Set of 2023 by Reviewed.com. One of the standout features of this washer is the SmartBoost premixing technology. Unlike other washers, this one premixes water and detergent before the cycle starts, ensuring maximum cleaning power and giving your clothes a longer life. It's been tested to provide the most effective stain removal among leading brands. For those of you who love keeping your whites pristine, the Optic White Cycle is a game changer. It prevents dirt redeposit and keeps your whites looking newer for longer. Plus, the Pure Rinse option removes detergent residues and fragrances that can irritate the skin without using more water. Loading your washer is a breeze with the reversible door feature. And with an extra large capacity, it can even fit a king comforter. It's also compatible with Electrolux's stacking kit and pedestal for added convenience. The LuxCare Plus wash system offers thorough cleaning with even distribution of detergent, improved wash actions, temperature control, and smart load sensing. The stain soak option eliminates the need for pre-treatment by creating a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution. This washer also includes a sanitize setting certified to kill 99% of bacteria and an NSF certified allergen option to remove 95% of allergens from your clothing, towels, and bedding. The adaptive dispenser accepts all types of detergent, ensuring the ultimate clean regardless of your preference. And here's a fun fact: register your appliance, and Electrolux will plant a tree on your behalf. We're diving into the LG WM4000H washing machine, a top contender in the world of appliances. This machine stands out with its sleek design, measuring 29 x 31.5 x 42 inches, making it a perfect fit for most laundry spaces. One of the most impressive features of the LG WM4000H is its smart connectivity. You can easily control and monitor your laundry cycles from your smartphone, adding a level of convenience that's hard to beat. Made from durable metal, this washing machine is built to last, ensuring you get the best value for your money. With a respectable 3.4 out of 5 stars from 23 customer reviews, this model ranks #21 in clothes washing machines and #1 289 in appliances overall. First available in January 2021, it has quickly become a favorite among many users. Remember, LG offers a 30-day return policy through Amazon, so you can buy with confidence. If you're looking for a reliable, high-tech washing machine, the LG WM4000H might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.